So TikTok, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. Hello, hello, hello. I don't have any sound. Oh my goodness. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Kudos to you and pat on the back for joining me for another live stream today. Give me just a minute so we can figure out some of these technical difficulties that I'm having at the moment. Can I hear myself on TikTok? Can I hear myself on TikTok? Okay. Alright guys, so let's do this. Let's move this. Seems like I just updated my Streamlabs for no reason. Looks like TikTok updated how you go live since the last time I've been live, so this is different. But it is 8:26, so let's get this chart marked up real quick. Actually, I need to log in, so give me 1 second. I'm going to change my screen so I can log in. It's not. Why did you just do that? Okay, there we go. I'm still here. Just don't need y'all seeing my login credentials. It's still showing you on my login credentials, huh? It should be showing you this screen. Okay, let's see now. Okay, there we go. No. It's not doing what I wanted to do. Why is it being difficult to me? Okay, let's see. If I just do that. No. Oh, the wrong thing. Okay. I guess that's just for YouTube. Hold on. Let's figure this out. Can I pause, y'all? Y'all, I'll be right back. Alright, TikTok, I'm back. Hey, YouTube. Alright, let's get into this markup. Alright, so I know that we were near a weekly fair value gap. Let's see where we are now. Alright, so that's where we are now. Let's see. Alright, so price ran a daily low. Mark the daily low, but let me look at the 4 hour. Okay, so we'll do the daily CRT. Is what we're going to be looking at today. Alright, it's 8:31. Market has opened. I'm just looking to see what other levels we have. Yesterday I had a, okay, it's down here. So I had another fair value gap that was near the bottom. That one was filled, and this one came close to being filled. So if price does continue to drop, I would wanted to see it come down here to this fair value gap. I'm sorry, y'all, had the sniffles today. Alright, so let's come down. Alright, so price ran, did it run this wick? No, it may equal lows. I'm not sure if I'm going to get that trade in time. See that? Price may equal lows right here. So it's got to run that. Let's see. Let's see how we can get that. Let's go down to the 30-minute. Oh, did it fill this gap already? Nope. Okay, we didn't come back to the 50 of this one, which would be retesting the bottom of the daily. But it looks like it wants to come down for it. It's not coming back to the gap. Let's see. Alright, let's go. Alright, so that's going to be the move. We need to come back to this gap, and we're going to sell it. Waiting. It seems like there's a delay. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see if it can be another quick day. I want to sell in this area. And we're going to wait for price to get up there. I'm selling because we got liquidity right here. We have these two equal lows right here. I'm trying to get my screen over so y'all can see it. Where we at? Here and here. Or did price run it? Price ran it a little bit, but it's still selling. Yeah, price ran that one just a tiny bit. What time did this happen? 8:30. missed this. There was a nice gap right here. That would have been a really nice entry. But we missed that. It took me forever to get set up and logged on this morning. Alright, so we're just waiting. Let's see what happens when price gets here. If price runs it, we'll just reanalyze. Because it did reject right here pretty hard. I don't see where it rejected from right there though. It must have been this order block right here. But I don't trust it because we got this big gap right here. Alright, we're just waiting. Okay, yep, and we got a fair value gap right here. I don't like that. Alright, yep, you see how this candle is playing around? That's exactly why I did not get in. I don't know what's going on. I don't like this. Here, thank you. To here. Okay, so this would be the target. We got a fair value gap here. I just needed to come back up in this gap. I think this was the weekly gap. Yeah. Alright, so this is our weekly gap, which is why we had a bunch of movement around in this area. This is my 15-minute gap, and I think this is the 5-minute gap, which is a low of that daily. So we're just waiting. See how price is playing around. Alright, because I'm looking for sales. I'm going to get my trigger ready. If price drops to here, then we'll see about buying back up to here. But we'll see what price does. I'm sorry, y'all. I have the sniffles. The weather here has just like been crazy. One day it's 75, 80. Next day it's 45, 40. Like, and we're not cutting our heat on and off and air on and off, so we just been going with the flow. So like I have a hoodie on in the house because it's 65 in here right now. So what happens before spring fully comes? The weather is confused. It doesn't know if it wants to be winter or summer. What's the weather looking like in your area? There we go. Let's go. Let's go. We have all kinds of gaps. So we have this gap right here on the 1 minute. We got this gap on the 3 minute. Here on the 5 minute. And then we got this big gap here on the 15. So we're just waiting on this pullback. Hopefully we can have another quick day like we did yesterday. Today is Friday, isn't it? Today's Friday. We're just waiting for a price to get to our entry. It's 9:41. Normally around 9:30, price spikes and then it likes to play around. We're practicing patience. Alright guys, we're just waiting. Day trading is definitely a waiting game. It is a waiting game. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. I'm just looking, make sure I didn't miss anything within this price action while I'm waiting for price to come back up. I'm targeting this fair value gap down here. Just waiting for price to come back into this gap and reject. If price does not reject within this gap, then we will wait for price to come back in here and then retest this area and take it up for a buy. But more than likely, since the market has been selling, that's normally what it does with in the first 2 quarters, and then around summertime it starts back its buys. But here's my little fair value gap right here, and then there's like a tiny, let me move this so y'all can see it. I don't like how this has my screen moving really slow. We're gonna have to figure that out because I don't like that. But I'm targeting this area right here because we have a fair value gap here, and then also, see if you see this, there's a wick here. Let me delete or hide. Let's just hide it. Let's hide it for a second. Okay. So there's a wick here and a wick here, which left this gap right here. But also, there's a little gap here and then a big gap right here. So this is called a price balance range where price has to come back and fill this in. So this is another reason why I'm looking for sales. Okay, so let's unhide that. Not my whole screen. There we go. Alright, so let's come back over here to current price action. It's 8:49. It's making its way on up. And some days I would have counter trend traded this, but not today. Now price left a gap here. 850. Alright, we're getting close to our point of interest. And I'm just watching all of these areas. It's 850. Look at that hourly candle. It's like it dropped and then it turned back around. So I don't know. We shall see. But I do know that this purple line right here is a very strong area of interest because it is a weekly fair value gap. I just want to see what this trend line looks like. Okay, it's legit. It's legit. It already broke it and retested it right there and then dropped. Alright, we made it into that area. This is 50% for that 15-minute candle. I'm gonna go back down to the 1 minute. I'm not gonna sell just yet. I wanna see some rejection. There's rejection. Got 15 seconds left in this candle. Alright, we're selling here. Is that 100 points? Did I change my thing? Golly. Dang it, y'all. I only made 500 because I didn't change the thing. Oh, I made 878. I'm conflicted because I need 1,000. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Why is this moving so slow? I don't want to crash out. I'm not going to crash out. I'm not going to crash out. Let me stop. Okay. Here. Here, 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 here. Nope, don't you dare come back up. Ay, ay, ay. And just like that, I lost 5. Alright. Here. I need this to move. Like, it's taking me off. Why did it only give me that? No, 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 no. Yo, this is moving too slow for me. It's like, I'm down 174. Okay. I don't know. It's so delayed. Come over. Alright. We'll do this. Just waiting on it to see what it's gonna do. It's 8:55. We got 5 minutes till this candle closes. What else? Okay, there we go. YouTube, y'all can't hear me for some reason. Oh my goodness. And y'all can't even see the screen. Oh my goodness. I see no reason as to why we should not drop. I need 1100 because I'm down 1174. I mean, I'm down 174. We have 3 minutes left in this hourly candle. Don't like how that candle's looking. Alright, it took me out. We're rejecting again. Alright, looks like we want to go higher. It's 8:58. Is it coming up into this gap? Alright, we closed underneath that. It's taking too long. This is my last trade, win or lose. There we go. I shouldn't have got back in, but it's all good. We're about to make it back up. Because it closed underneath this area. This is looking like an evening star. We got 4 seconds on this candle. There we go. 9. I need it to come on down. Come on down. It's got to come down to this gap. Don't play me. y'all see how price is moving right now? What am I thinking about? Um, Bowling options for the list of put options to short sell. I'm sorry, I don't know anything about options. I haven't learned options at all, so um, I have no idea. I just do Forex and futures. I think I need to move this over here. Ah, this screen. This is gonna make me cry. Okay, let's move this out the way because I have to get to a certain profit area. Alright, it's 10 o'clock. I feel like this 1 minute candle has been going for forever. I'm gonna move my stop loss into profit right there. Just in case price reverses, I won't lose anything. Alright, come on, come on. We gotta come to this gap. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just drop already. I'm ready to get off of here. We've been on here long enough. Don't you dare. Thank you. 14, we have 6. I need 1,000 to reach my daily goal. You better not. My stop loss is in profit, guys, so if it stops me out, we'll look for another position. You better not. I don't like this bullish momentum though. This is crazy. It's probably definitely gonna go bull when it hits this fair value gap. Alright, come on back down. Come on. Alright, it took us out. Let's figure out what else they're gonna do. I feel like it's just gonna come back down. It has to come back to this gap. It retested and rejected it again. Oh, there we go. Alright. We're back in. Come on, Come on, come on. My take profit is back at the fair value gap. Almost back at break even for today. The way this candle's looking, there should be no reason why it shouldn't continue to sell to my TP the way that rejected. There we go. Let's go. It's right here. Come on. It's 9:07. Seconds left in this 1 minute candle. Four seconds left. I don't like how it's closing to the top. 8. We got 2 minutes left in the 10-minute candle. The way this rejected, this has to be kidding me. Come on, come on, come on. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now just drop. Just drop to my TP. It's only right here. You don't have that far to go. You don't have that far to go. 4 seconds left in this candle. I like that bearish movement. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. That's exactly what we needed. It's 9:09. 866. I just need 1,000. I just need 1,000. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. 7. 836. 876. Okay, we at 1046, closing. Did it close at 1046? It closed at 970. I'm not getting back in. All right, guys. We did it. We got our profit target for today. And price is going to come here. It's going to come here. I just want to wait for a second. Let's see. Not let's see, but I know for sure. I'm sorry, YouTube. 4 seconds left in this candle. Y'all didn't even get to see my chart. Okay, but I'm glad y'all can hear me. That was TikTok yesterday. hit my profit target, like 780, 90. Oh, this is probably another entry right here. $30 below the profit target, but it's cool. I'm not getting back in. There it is, because that was another fair value gap. That's our rejection. And it should come here. It's tempting to get back in. I'm gonna log out while I'm sitting here looking. Let's log out. I can get back in on a paper trade. Oh, nope, there it go. There it is. There it is. Alright guys, we've been on here for 41 minutes. $970.41. You can't beat. Join me tomorrow at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so we can do this again. No, not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Silly me. Silly me. Look at that, just doing what we needed to do after all of this madness. Because I got in here at first. I'm glad I put my stop loss into profit because price came back up, and then I got here and I got stopped out, and then I got in here again. So stuck to my bias. I didn't do, oh, it's gonna buy because it did that, and then nope, we stuck to our bias and it played out. Alright guys, so y'all have a happy Friday. I'll see you guys in a few. We're gonna walk, do our affirmations and pray if you want to come back on for that, or you can come back on Monday, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time,